Welcome to Hilltop Farm. Today we're going to make Hilltop Farm pear chutney. Okay, today we're making a double batch. So in here I've got 14 cups of unpeeled, cored and diced pears, and they're soaking in 4 cups of apple cider vinegar. Try and get organic where you can. You're going to need 1 kilo of brown sugar, 1 cup of raisins and 1 cup of sultanas, 2 medium to large onions diced. You're going to need half a cup of diced preserved ginger. You are going to need 2 cloves of garlic minced, 4 teaspoons of mustard seed. Okay, we've got 4 teaspoons of salt, 1 teaspoon of cayenne pepper, 1 teaspoon of ground cloves and 1 teaspoon of cinnamon. Okay, in a heavy base saucepan, bring your vinegar and pears and your kilo of sugar. You need to bring that up to the boil before you add any of your other ingredients. Okay, so once you've got it at a boil, you need to add all your other ingredients. So we'll pop in the onions. Rather full, this pot, but it does take it because I've done it before. Now this crystallized ginger, my absolute favourite, that goes in. Now that will actually dissolve, leaving the most wonderful flavour through the whole thing. Okay, our garlic goes in. Now mustard seeds. And our wonderful spices. Beautiful. Well, I wish you could smell what we can smell here. Already just glorious. Now bring it back to the boil, mixing through the ingredients thoroughly. Now I urge you can always, I know people say you can substitute things in recipes, and you can, I know that. But I do urge you to make this recipe as is. If you don't like it, you have a wonderful gift to give your friends and family. But I think most of you will love it. I do. And there are certain things like cloves and ginger that if you leave them out, well, you may as well just make something else, because I don't think it'll be the same. So, but that's just my opinion. Now, we'll just wait for that to come back to the boil. Okay, now once you've got it at a steady boil, then what you do is you turn it down to a gentle simmer, and it stays like that for about an hour, and you stir it every 5 to 10 minutes, keep your eye on it. You don't want it sticking to the bottom, remember it is sugar, but leave it uncovered, give it a bit of a poke and a prod every now and then. Okay, and we shall be back in an hour. Okay, now it's been an hour, as you can see, has reduced a little, but not much. But it's looking and smelling, more importantly, glorious. Now, we have to thicken it up. Now, I have 4 heaped tablespoons of corn flour. Now, you may think that's a lot, and it may be. Just depends, every time you make this, it changes the amount you have to put in. So I start with that. You don't have to put it all in, but we just start trickling it gently in the middle while we continuously stir. Stir, stir, stir. You don't want it standing still, or you'll end up with a big lump in the middle. Okay, then stir it. I've used maybe not quite half of it. Okay, now go back to the middle. Stir, stir, stir. Again. Now if you look, that's coming together beautifully. Getting a bit of substance to it. You don't want watery chutney. Nothing worse. You put it on a sandwich and it soaks through the bread. Disgusting. Certain amount of thickening will take place as it cools. But you want it to look decent to start with. And I think this is looking about right. I've probably used just over half of my mix. So for this lot, we'd probably say 2 tablespoons. And that, my friends, is how you make the best, most divine chutney. If you have any comments, leave them in the comments down below. Don't forget to hit like, hit subscribe, and then you won't miss out another video. And if you want to come back for our next video, I'll be showing you how to can this up. Catch you next time.